Right, traders, welcome. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are on Wednesday, April 30th, 2025, last trading day of the month, and what a rally day it was. We did 8 trades, a couple ES trades, and the rest were NQ for over $6,200 in profit. This is one of our bigger trades right here. After 10 o'clock, we're trading 3 contracts, as it shows over here. And we upped our goal due to the range, so 1200. We were hitting 800 pretty good, so I upped it to 12. And 1, 2, 3 wave move up, and we hit our profit targets. Runner does a nice job here, and after the first 2 profit targets are hit, boom. So great start to the day. Or no, this wasn't the start. I just wanted to show this one right off the bat. There's your time in sales to show it was a live trade. And we had 2 other ones, similar profits, and our biggest one was over $1,300 in profit on 3 contracts. So here is one of our ES trades. We're trading just 2 contracts, 640 goal, and market had some economic news at the open. It was kind of weak, so we started the bot. Down it goes. It unfortunately got a little bounce here, took out our stop, so only got 179. Otherwise, we probably would have had 400 or 500, or even hit our goal. But it's a start to the day. And this is our trade on the NQ, our first trade shortly after the open. Market gets a little bounce here. Get some profit. We're going for an 840 goal. We got 780. Didn't take this short because the trend was up. And then it took this one right here and got our nice profit there. And the bot does all the work for you. Just sit back, watch it move. And here's the strategy performance. I did take a screenshot. All the numbers there. And then our next trade after that one hit, we restarted the bot and caught the down wave. Market opened weak, and weak markets get weak, strong markets get strong. And that's exactly what happened here. We're riding the waves down, 1 wave down, 2 wave down, hits our goal. We got 865 profit. And the bot did all the work. All I did was enable it and let it go to work. There's no need to really adjust your profit targets because you set them before you enabled the bot. So, and we pretty much use the same profit targets each and every day in the NQ and ES, and just change the profit goal like I did at the end of the day, up to 1200. And you know, the motto is, if it works, leave it alone, don't mess with it. You know, just like a friend of mine, he would get his boat tuned up like Memorial Day weekend, and I told him it's not really a good idea. You know, you're out in the water, something goes wrong, you know, the points frap out, and then you're stranded, and your whole weekend's ruined. And well, that's exactly what happened. Just like you don't get your oil changed before you're ready to go on a road trip, because the filter starts leaking about 100 miles out. What are you going to do? It's going to cost you a fortune to get it fixed. So if it works, leave it alone. And another strategy performance there. All the numbers, 100% winners. And this next trade here on the NQ, where we raised our goal, still trading 3 contracts. In a couple trades, we hit our $1,200 goal. There's a screenshot with the time and sales. And here's one of our ES trades where we got 267 on 2 contracts. Market runs up to the high here after the gap down, and then the trend change, and it sells off our first profit target, and then our stop loss is hit on this little bounce. If our stop didn't get hit, it dropped further after this, but there was news coming out at 10, so we didn't want to be trading the news. So we took our profit there and waited till after 10 to do the next trade. And, you know, a lot of traders don't pay attention to the time. You know, I talk to a lot of traders and, oh, I don't know why I got stopped out here. Well, you went short right at 10:30 when the market reverses. You know, so you don't trade into the news, and, you know, 5 minutes before the news is my rule. No trades 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. Simple as that. Follow the rules. And they say trading is all about timing, and this is all about timing. I started the bot probably 30 seconds too late, and the market decides to rip this new high here. I would have hit my $1,200 goal very easily, but we get it in the next trade. But like I said, just like the 10:30 reversal, it's always the timing you got to pay attention to. And this is our next trade. Right after that, we started the bot, and we caught this move here for $1,300. And as I always said before, prior videos, what's the most important indicator in trading? And to me, it's time. Followed by volume, and then support and resistance levels. So nice trade here, letting the bot do its work, and not sure if some news came out or what, but we get some up and down moves. We get some nice profit here. We're 3/4 to our goal. Didn't take this long because trend was down, and then it took this one. It ripped to the upside, and we got $1,300 profit. And here's the strategy performance for that trade. 100% winner. And then this is the ES trade. Another one we did.
New visitor.
Where bot got long here in 2 contracts, hits first profit target. Then the second one. And then a reversal here. And we get 546. A little slippage there because our goal was 640, but that'll work. 546, and that's our trades for the day. So don't forget about our summer sale here, spring sale on the AlgoBot. Use coupon SAVE400, and with that you get the AlgoBot, the manuals, the videos, all the educational material, my 24 years of experience in trading, all the knowledge I know, all the tidbits that I've been telling you about timing, when to trade, when not to trade. It all comes to play in the market each and every day. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Get some more likes. Hit that like button. Follow us on our social media pages, and we'll catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.